And what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another great video with Everything Aaron. It's been a while. Yeah, I've been pretty busy doing a whole bunch of other stuff, traveling, all kinds of good stuff. But nonetheless, we do have a video today. We do have several videos coming up over the next few weeks, and I'd be happy to say that they are all for the GTR. It's a mess over on this side. Got boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff. But like I said, all these items are actually for the GTR. So I'm excited to finally do some additional aesthetic mods. I've actually had to save up quite a bit because these aesthetic mods, if you guys know anything about this specific stuff, it's expensive. For the GTR, there's something that we like to call the GTR tax. It shares a lot of parts with other Nissans, but just because it's a GTR, I guess everybody just seems that they can charge so much more for the same amount of material. You guys can already tell by the thumbnail what today's video is. Again, a lot of cool stuff happening. Like you guys seen on the thumbnail, this is our first project for today. This guy here, we got wrapped up in this bubble wrap, is the other version of this gear shift knob. And as you see here, red and black to match the black edition red and black interior. Essentially, there's a clip up underneath this bottom plastic portion. We're going to be getting a little pry bar here. I have a little plastic pry bar. I've got to pull down on this little bottom portion. That'll expose the clip, which you imagine that clip is actually just going to be holding around the shift knob as well as on the actual metal bar. And you pull that little clip out, and that should just allow this whole shift knob just to come right up, and that's it. So we should be able to kind of wedge it in there. Boom. That's actually very easy. And pull it down. So now that you got that pulled down, and the camera just a little closer if I can, there's a little clip in there. You can kind of see it shining right there. See if I can do this with my left hand. Pull back towards you. And there it is. That's all you need. Set that down, and theoretically, this should come right up off the top. Just like that. So now, I'm going to take this one, pop off this bottom part, and perform the exact same thing. Boom. There we go, guys. Give it a little tug, pull up, make sure it doesn't pop off. Alright, so the button works. That's really important. Yep, and it shifts through the gears. So like that, ladies and gentlemen, quick video today. We got our shift knob swapped out, got rid of the all black one, and I'm telling you, it's the subtleties. It's the little bit of red right there that just coordinates and just goes exactly how I wanted it with this car. Stay tuned. We have a lot more videos to come. We have a lot more projects, a lot more packages. Matter of fact, I'm jumping right into the next video right now. We're going to be grabbing one of these boxes today, and we're going to be installing some more stuff. Stick around. Be back next week. Make sure you watch these videos because, like I said, it's going to make this guy look great. Without further ado, this has been Everything Aaron. Short, quick one. Got more GTR videos coming, so don't miss out. We'll see you on the next one.